Hey there, this is Becca with YouCanBookMe, and today I want to walk you through what it looks like from your booker's perspective when they book time, overlay their availability, and make a payment with you. So, just for today's example video, I'm going to record and book a call with Emily. Awesome. First of all, I can say that she's free 2 days next week and 3 days the week after that. I could play the back and forth dance of look at my calendar, look at hers, look at mine, look at hers. Sure. Or I could overlay my availability. So I'm going to do that first. So I'm going to blur my private details as I log into my own booking page. So if this was your booker, they could log in with Google, with Microsoft, or with their YouCanBookMe, or they can even log in with their Calendly account in order to overlay their availability with yours. It's going to ask when I do log in which of my calendars I want it to look at to see when I'm free. I could pick as many of my calendars as I would like for it to check my availability. I've checked off the ones that I want. Great. Let's look at some time to book with Emily now that my calendars are syncing to this. So let's say I want to meet with her on July 29th. Let's click. Well, all 3 time slots are blurred out. Why? Because my calendar is saying I'm busy those times. If I wanted to choose it anyways, it will tell me that they found a conflict. The time is available, but it clashes with a busy event in my calendar. I've got a block in my schedule that day. I can't take a meeting with her during that time. If I wanted to, I could choose it anyways and override, but I think I'm going to choose another time instead. Let's look at the 28th. The little green dots indicate I'm free all of these time slots. Fabulous. I am going to click that one. I'm going to fill in the information here. So I've got my first name, my last name, and my blurred out email address. And it is $199 for this session. Cool. Let's book that together. Let's proceed to payment. Now, YouCanBookMe automatically syncs with Stripe. So I can pay with Apple Pay if I want. I'm on my computer. If I was on my phone, I could probably pay with Google Pay, but I don't have that enabled on this device, personal preference. Or I can just type in my credit card. As soon as I type that in, it'll charge my credit card, send the money to Emily, and my appointment will be booked. It's super simple. It only takes a couple clicks, less than a few seconds, and your customer is booked in with you and you've received payment. And why is that impactful? Because taking payments upfront, whether it's the full price or the deposit, reduces your no-shows by up to 55%. That's a big deal. So, because this is an example, I don't really want to put my credit card information on YouTube today. So, that's all it would take for a person to pay and book with you. Thank you so much for watching.